Now, I am delighted to invite our worthy director, CIVRI, Professor Dr. Noor Muhammad Khan, for the opening remarks. Professor Dr. Noor Muhammad Khan, sir, over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Engineer Muhammad Awais, for inviting me to deliver my inaugural talk. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. I'm delighted to see this event happening today. Uh, this is part of our series of events which we organize at Center of Excellence in Water Resources Engineering in respect of dissemination of knowledge, dissemination of modern tools, informations to students, to practicing engineers and the fellow researchers. Recently, we have successfully completed one of the conference on hydrology and water resources. That was an international conference we completed in March 2021. So in the series of such events, so this month we thought of doing a workshop, hands-on training for our students, for our fellow engineers, and for the practicing engineers about one of the important tools which all the water resources personals, which all the water resources engineers must know about it. So that is the famous HEC-RAS software. So this is part of our curricula also. In one of our subject we teach it, but to extend it to the wider engineering community, we thought that it would be better that we should be conducting an hands-on training online workshop in these Corona days. This Corona days have restricted us that we cannot go for the such physical trainings, but this online facility have made it possible. I congratulate both of these organizers, especially Dr. Mudassar and Engineer Muhammad Awais, for making things together and making this happen. Hopefully, you will be getting basic to advanced knowledge about HEC-RAS, and especially we will like to cover that two-dimensional features of the HEC-RAS, which is necessary to see the propagation of the flooding in the watershed in the flood area. So propagation of flooding, if we want to visualize, if we want to see it, then this 2D modeling feature. So hopefully the resource persons, both of them are well experienced. I know Engineer Awais and Dr. Mudassar have good command on HEC-RAS. So they will be informing you to great extent in this limited time. Because of Ramzan, the time has been kept 2-3 hours for this workshop. But inshallah, this will not be the last workshop. This will continue, and this will be followed by a number of such workshops organized by the Center of Excellence faculty. And hopefully, we will be disseminating the knowledge on frequent basis. Purpose is making our young engineers familiar and expert in the in modern tools which are required for hydraulic modeling of the rivers. We can carry out flood modeling, we can carry out dam break modeling, we can carry out the surface water profile. A number of things can be done. Hopefully the resource person will be covering that. Center of Excellence is doing this because we have been entrusted with this function. One of our major function is to provide high quality, goal-oriented teaching over here. And one of our major function is to disseminate the knowledge through workshop and trainings. So that is what we are given the responsibility, and we are trying to fulfill it even in these difficult days of Corona. Center has recently embarked on modernization of its facilities, and I am happy to inform you that one of the recent addition to our center is that we have acquired EcoDepth sounder along with its boat, so that we can carry out the profiling of the rivers ourselves. We are also in the phase of acquiring ADCP for the center students, and for our consultancy works. Hopefully, slowly, we will be increasing the capacity of the center and we will be having more facilities over here. Those who are not familiar with the center, I would like to focus on one of the peculiar feature of the center, that we have model tray hall. In Model Tray Hall, we have the facility to carry out the physical modeling on the hydraulic projects. We have a good capacity of the flow over there. We have area-wise, we have a good large laboratories available, 50 feet to I think 200 feet wide. Laboratories there, which can be utilized by the students and by the researchers for carrying out the model studies. So this model study, physical model study, coupled with the simulation modeling facilities, in our computer laboratory, make us special, that we can analyze hydraulic structures in both the ways, through physical models and through the numerical modeling also. So I am happy that a number of people have registered in this webinar. And while I was seeing the data of the registration, I have seen that more than 15 universities have registered for this event. 4 to 5 government departments like Pakistan Engineering Council, CNW, PHE, WAPDA personnel have registered in this workshop. And some people from the consultancy and the private organization like Pakistan, NESPAC, PESCOM, MZ Architect, and Steel Rolling Mill, they have registered in this workshop. So hopefully this workshop will be a success as our other events, and we are recording this. Those who are unable to attend it live, hopefully they will be using the recording facility, recorded lecture of this workshop, and they will be enhancing their capability of numerical modeling for reverse. So with this, I am thankful again to the organizing team, Dr. Mudassar and Engineer Awais, and I am thankful and I welcome from the Center of Excellence side all the participants who have joined this workshop. Thank you very much. Awais, आपकी आवाज म्यूट है.
Thank you very much, sir, for sparing time out of your busy schedule and highlighted main feature of CIVRI capacity and capabilities. CIVRI is witness your unconditional support and motivation about delivering and learning.